there, everyone. Today I am going to show you the latest book I got from Mystic Art Mirrors. This is Pretty in Ink. Now you can get this as her downloadable PDF where you print it yourself, but I'm starting to really enjoy the ones she makes, and this got to me really fast. So I haven't, the only unboxing part I've done off camera is the actual envelope it came in, but I wanted to show you how these are packaged because it's kind of part of the experience of ordering from her, and they're really cute. So it does come in this plastic protector, which is going to be really loud when I open. And then it is wrapped, and she wraps it. These are just so cool how she wraps them. I can't get over it, but I love how it says Pretty in Ink on the front. And now we're just gonna pop this open, and it's like thick wrapping paper too. It's amazing. I don't know why I try to preserve it because I never end up reusing it, but I still save it just in case one day, you know? Okay, so once you unwrap it, there it is. So let's move this out of the way. Okay. So she always includes like a little envelope, and I'll show you what's in here, like tons of goodies. So when you get her prints, you get a lot of goodies. So I have a postcard. Oh, that's really cute, actually. I think all of these are postcards. Yeah, they are. So look at these pretty postcards. Ooh, I'm gonna have to send some of these to you guys. Let's see, is this one? Oh, this is just the thank you. Okay, then we get like a little gift or a discount code, and then this talks about her latest coloring adventure for kids. I'm thinking of getting that for my daughter, actually. And then you get like these little business cards, but I actually pin these to my cork board because they are really cute, and they kind of are like little collector's items, I consider them. You don't have to, but see, they're all just business cards, but like these spares here, I might give to my kids because they really like them for some reason. But look at that one. That one's awesome. Okay. And then I got some extra goodies on top. Like, so with all her printed stuff, you always get extras. And this doesn't want to open the right way. It just wants to tear. So let's just open it this way. So we get little extra pages or bonus pages. And it's printed on this really thick paper, and it's longer. I think this is A4. I always confuse the two. Oh, that's so pretty. So yeah, these are the extras that she sent on top of the book, and this is all free. I didn't pay for any of these extras, and I did buy the book myself. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, and now we're at the actual book. So let me get all of the goodies out of the way. So I had ordered one a while back, and I was like, wow, this paper is amazing, and I've heard it takes water really well, so I just ordered this one. So Pretty in Ink, and like the cover is the same material almost, like it's a thick but soft, you know, kind of like her. Here we got another postcard, but this is one specific to this one. Okay, so here we go. Look at the color choices. She just makes everything magical. All right. Look at that. And see, just listen to how thick this paper is. See, so all of them have like this almost like henna style on top of the artwork. Oh, I like that. Look how she did like the ships and stuff, and their little... Beautiful. This is actually the one that's on the postcard. Look at that. Just, I mean, her artwork, seriously, you just need to go, whoops, don't want to miss a page. It's a thick book. I'm trying not to hurt the spine too much. Look at that one. Oh, the butterflies. Her artwork is just meant to be like, just go for it, you know? Do crazy hair colors, skin colors, whatever like you want. I mean, it's just meant to, nothing traditional here is basically like what her artwork screams. I really like that one. Plus the hair would be really fun. Oh, I like this too. Beautiful. Oh, that she's like a little elven, like foresty elf. Awesome. So you got like a mixture of like the ocean themes, so you know, mermaids. Ooh, I like that. Such beautiful artwork. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. It's just crazy. That's awesome. We got fairies, elves, mermaids. Oh, that's beautiful. I actually really like how this one has the purple or pink and green, and then still blue in there. Look at that one. These are just pretty without being colored in. That one's so cool too. And then it kind of guides you, you know, like obviously you want to do color schemes that match up with what this is, but oh, I like that. I love this hair. Ooh, that's a luscious set of hair to color. Oh, that one's beautiful. I love the hairstyle. It's like that, oh gosh, what is it, 1920s? I like that one too. These are just gorgeous. I like that one too. Look at that. It's like details within details. And then that is the end. So yeah, that is the Pretty in Ink coloring book. I will leave a link to her listing for this book, as well as the PDF one in the description below in case you want to get either or. But I'm really digging her printed ones. And like I said, this came really fast. It was within 2 weeks. And this is the second time I've ordered a printed version from her. And I haven't had any issues with shipping yet. So crossing my fingers it stays that way. But thanks for hanging out and checking out the Pretty in Ink. If you have this one, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.